Hey folks, I'm going to get the Tapo C460 solar camera to work with the Google Home and with the Google app, the Google TV, and the Chromecast. I think the newer devices in the Google products called Google Nest Hubs or something. This is a bit older. Here's the Google Home installed, connected to my local Wi-Fi. Okay Google, what's the temperature?
It's 80 degrees Fahrenheit and
I have a big Samsung TV on the back. See, I have a Chromecast plugged into the HDMI. It's just a streaming device, but it has to be controlled from an app. There's no remote control or anything for it or direct access. In Samsung TV, if I go to connected devices, HDMI 2, you can see the Chromecast is just playing pictures from the cloud. I have a Sony TV, and you see on the side of this, it's a Google TV, so it's a full-fledged app running system, unlike the Chromecast, which just displays. This one has a remote control. It's just like a Fire TV stick or a Roku TV, Google TV. And a Google TV with the remote allows you to do all kinds of apps. In the Tapo app, see the little person on the top left, click on that. Come down to third-party services. And first of all, make sure third-party compatibility is turned on. Enable anyway. And then we're going to click on Google Assistant. Confirm and link from Google Home. So now it's going into Home. So now we want to link an account to control Tapo on any device. Hit continue. Google will be able to do some things. Hit agree and continue. And hit link. See the smart devices added, 3 of them. I will note that Tapo Street is not online right now, but it did pick up the definition. Done. Not now. So if I click on the 4 little squares at the top, I can see different devices I have, and there are my 3 cameras outside. But in the Home app, if I click on, for instance, Driveway, you can't do live view. So that's sort of an issue between Google and TP-Link Tapo right now. I click on the top right gear icon, hit settings. We want voice notifications, so that means that when a notification is happening on the Tapo camera through the Tapo systems, we'll get a voice notification playing, or at least sent to Google Home, in which case it's also a speaker and it will speak the notification to us. So let's turn that on. There's nothing else we can set. We can unlink it here if we want to. Here, go into backyard, same thing, can't view it. Settings. We want voice notifications from that camera. Back. And we might as well put this one on, even though it's not online, it will be. Notifications. Very important step you want to do is, okay Google, resync devices.
okay, syncing devices for 4 providers. Galaxy Tab A isn't available. You might want to try setting it up again.
Okay, I don't have that one plugged in. So that refreshes the mappings. So now I'm going to speak to it. Okay, Google, show Tapo Driveway on Chromecast.
Tapo driveway to Chromecast.
And you see it in the large icon down there. And if we come down and click it, you'll get full screen. Now you don't get anything else. There's no controls for the light or the speaker or microphone, and it's just one camera. Okay, Google, stop Tapo driveway.
I can't stop that.
Okay, Google, stop Tapo driveway on Chromecast.
Okay, stopping Chromecast.
Okay, so we're back at the Chromecast. It didn't switch back to away from HDMI 2, but that's okay. Okay, Google, show Tapo Backyard on Chromecast.
Streaming Tapo Backyard to Chromecast.
Okay. Oh. Okay, so it flicked there from the previous one. So I don't believe there's any directional controls. Yeah, there's no button to hit that I know of to toggle between the cameras. Okay, Google, stop Tapo Backyard on Chromecast.
All right, stopping Chromecast. Detected is at Tapo driveway.
Okay, did you hear that notification just now? It detected a vehicle on the driveway. Back in the Google Home app, you see I have the Samsung TV paired with Google Home. Let's try this. Okay, Google, show Tapo driveway on 65 QLED. Okay, so it's showing it on the TV also. Playing Tapo Google receiver. So yeah, you see it's got a little timer on the bottom that the remote responds to. I don't know if it does anything else. Oh, it starts and stops the preview. That's nice. That's about it. Okay, Google, stop Tapo driveway on Samsung.
Got it. Stopping 65 QLED.
You can turn it off with a shorter command. Okay, Google, stop.
Okay, stopping 65 QLED. Person detected is at Tapo driveway.
Okay, so there's a person at the Tapo driveway. We go to the Tapo app a few minutes ago, click on playback, and we click on it. See a person walking. So let's try the Google TV. Okay, Google, show Tapo driveway on Google TV.
Sorry, I didn't understand.
Whoops. The Lenovo clock picked that one up.
The mic is muted.
Okay, Google, show Tapo driveway on Google TV. You have one screen. There's no controls. I can't hit home to get out of it. So that's the function on the Google TV, just like the Chromecast, you get a single display. I have the Tapo Street camera online, just taking a picture of it in an entertainment center. I'm going to walk in front of it, and you should be able to hear the notification of person detected.
Person detected is at Tapo Street.
So now I have the camera being streamed directly to the Samsung TV, showing the Samsung TV. I'm going to walk in front of it.
Person detected is at Tapo Street.
So there's me, and a little delay. Should be a projection in here. There it goes. On the Samsung phone, let's go to a blank screen and press on the background. Let's hit on widgets, and let's go down to home, and we'll push favorites, add, and you can either have it sync your favorites, or let's choose our custom widgets. In this case, choose the 3 cameras, save. So now when we click on Tapo Driveway, it's actually opening preview. So you can't see the preview by clicking on it directly from the home app, but if you create a home shortcut, it works. I'm not sure how it's working, if it just happens to work this way, or if it's actually a shortcut through home just to launch Tapo. And there's no controls on it. Click on Tapo Backyard. Again, you get a preview, so you can preview it through the Google Home app. See if there's anything in the gear icon here. Nope, that's the one we had before. So that's how you get to see your camera using Google Home. While we're at it, let's long press on the background again, add widget. This time, add a Tapo widget. And we'll put it camera. Select the camera. Tapo Driveway. Put all 3. I guess you can do only one. So you can look at clips and you can go live. So this is just a shortcut for your Tapo app. And above is the shortcut for the home app. You go live, it just launches the Tapo application. If you want a few more cameras in that Tapo preview, press on that widget to create stack. And you can just slide between these to look at the different cameras. It's pretty fast. There you go. You have person detection showing up. We have Google Home registered with the Tapo app for all my cameras. I can play them directly to the Samsung TV. I can play them to the Chromecast. I can play them to the Google TV. I'll show you in another video.
Person detected is at Tapo Street.
Hey, what's up? I'll show you in another video how to improve that with SmartThings.